Hello cool people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Math Olympiad questions. There are two questions in this video. Let's start. The first question is, how much money did Sheila spend given? Arna and Sheila spent 8,000 rupees altogether on clothes. 1/3 of Arna's spending was 450 rupees more than 1/4 of Sheila's spending. Read the question carefully and understand it, what they given, what we have to find it. Let's see how to solve this problem. Let's Sheila's spending be S and Arna's spending be A. Arna and Sheila spent a total 8,000 rupees. So A plus S equals to 8,000. This is equation 1. 1/3 of Arna's spending was 450 rupees more than 1/4 of Sheila's spending. 1/3 A equals to 1/4 AS plus 450. This is equation 2. A equals to 8,000 minus S. Substitute A in equation 2. 1/3 of 8,000 minus S equals to 1/4 S plus 450. 4 of 8,000 minus S equals to 3 of S plus 450. 8,000 multiplied by 4 equals to 32,000 minus 4S equals to 3S plus 5,400. 32,000 minus 5,400 equals to 3S plus 4S. 26,600 equals to 7S. S equals to 26,600 divided by 7. 3,800. Sheila spent 3,800 rupees on clothes. To recap, let's take a quick look at the entire solution one more time. Watch till the end to see how I solve this math problem. The second question is, Mr. Suhan spent 1/5 of his salary on his housing installment, 2/5 of the remainder on food, 480 rupees on transport, and had 960 rupees left. What fraction of his salary was spent on transport? Let's see how to solve this problem. Let's Suhan's salary be X. He spent 1/5 of his salary on housing installment. X minus of 1/5 of X equals to 4/5 of X. Remaining salary equals to 4/5 of X. He spent 2/5 of the remaining salary on food. 2/5 multiplied by 4/5 of X equals to 8/25 of X. Remaining salary equals to 4/5 of X minus 8/25 of X. LCM is 25. 20x minus 8x equals to 12/25 of X. He spent 480 rupees on transport. Remaining salary equals to 12/25 of X minus 480 equals to 960 rupees. 12/25 of X equals to 960 plus 480. 12/25 of X equals to 1440. X equals to 1440 multiplied by 25 by 12. X equals to 12 1 12, 12 120 is 1440. X equals to 120 multiplied by 25. X equals to 3,000. Now let's find the fraction of his salary spent on transport. Fraction equals to amount spent on transport divided by salary. We know that amount of spent salary on transport is 480. Salary is 3,000. 480 divided by 3,000 equals to 4/25. Mr. Suhan spent 4/25 of his salary on transport. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos.